Within the guard-gated private enclave known as the Hunt Club, an exclusive luxury community and one of the finest in San Juan Capistrano, is a rare ready-to-build vacant parcel available to the open market. Here, where residents enjoy the unparalleled beauty of the Capistrano Valley's natural ridgelines and the cool breezes that sweep in off the Pacific Ocean, it is more than a place to call home, it is a way of life. This private home site, encompassing 3.4 acres, is nestled within well-established multi-million-dollar homes with views of the scenic Marbella Golf Course. Outlined in red, you can easily see a natural building pad about halfway down the lot. A path leads to the pad from the road, close to the end of the cul-de-sac. Preliminary plans call for a lavish 14,000 square foot estate, or design your own dream home. The owner has invested over $100,000 to develop the property, including grading plans, soil reports, structural engineering reports, and heat loss calculations, as well as County of Orange fire-safe planning landscape plans and slope analysis for the lot. The peaceful setting of this private sanctuary of custom homes with easy access to hiking and equestrian trails reflects the history and romance of the centuries-old village of San Juan Capistrano. And historic downtown, the shops in Mission Viejo, the beach, and wilderness areas are all just a short drive away.